Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can compress a PDF file without losing any quality. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here you can see I have a PDF file into my desktop called this, and you can see its size is 178 KB. So we will going to compress it into a very simple way. For that, we just need to go for our Google Chrome browser, and then we just need to search for I love PDF and click enter. After that, we will get a first link called I love PDF. Click on that, and after that there are a lot of bunch of options and they are completely free. So for that, I will go for the compressed PDF option over here. So click on that. After that, they will call you for select PDF file. So click on that, and we will going for desktop and going to select this PDF over here. And now you can see there at the right side called compression level. If you click on extreme compression, there will be less quality and high compression. But if you click on recommended compression, it will be good quality and good compression. And if you click less compression, then high quality, less compression. So I will going to select this recommended compression and then click on compressed PDF, sorry. After that, you can see the PDF have been compressed. And you can see over here that the PDF file was 178 KB and now it's in 48.32 KB. Very good, right? So now if we click on download compressed PDF, and you can see our PDF is downloaded into our Windows. So this is how we can compress PDF file without losing quality. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.